Good afternoon. This lab 2, yung username and password. So first, code is mag-i-input ka ng full name and username. Then while true para sa choices mo ng user and admin. Ang ginawa ko is meron choice 1 and choice 2. Choice 1 is equals to user. Choice 1 is dapat ang value niya is user. Choice 2, ang value niya dapat is admin. Then user is equals to input. Then close parenthesis, type of a user. Dun ka mamimili kung user ba or admin yung ipapasok mo. If user is equals to choice 1, kung ini-input mo is user, then papasok siya then magbe-break siya kung user is equals to choice 1 or user is equals to choice 2. So if both napili mo, ang mangyayari is magbe-break yon. Then else, print invalid input, continue. So doon mag-continue yung loop pag invalid yung input mo. If user naman or admin yung pinili mo, magbe-break yung loop, then mapupunta siya sa bagong while. Dito yung password must be, then dito kailangan mag-input ng password. Saya pag-input ng password, meron special characters na tatanggapin. So special is equals to lahat ng special characters ipapasok mo dyan. Then ang condition dito, meron akong if yung length ng password is less than 8, piprint niya password must be longer than 8. So 8 pababa, dun magpiprint yung password must be longer. Kung 9 pataas naman, magko-continue siya. Dito ginamit ko if not, kung yung password mo is walang lowercase, so character that is lower, close and open parenthesis, for char in password. So print natin password must contain at least one lowercase letter. Then continue para tumiretso sa panibagong loop. If not din ang ginamit dito for uppercase. So kung di siya uppercase, password must at least contain one uppercase letter. Then continue. If not any, yung character is, yung password mo is walang digit or number, magpiprint siya ng password must contain at least one digit. Then dito naman sa character, syempre password must contain at least one special character. Yun nga yung in-input natin kanina na special. So doon lang nag-iba yung code. If not any, char in special character, syempre yung variable natin kanina, in special for char in password. Then lagi may colon pag nasa condition ka ng like for loop, while ganun. Then be-break natin siya para matapos yung loop at mangyari yung panibago mo ipapasok na loop. Dito naman sa pangatlong loop is retype naman ang password. So you need to retype your password. So kailangan is yung password mo is mag-match dun sa kinreate mong password. Retype is equal to input, yun yung scanf natin, retype password, colon. So, if retype is not equals to password, magpiprint siya ng the password do not match. Else, print. So, yung else natin is password accepted. So, kung yung password mo is nag-match dun sa ni-retype mo na password, yung else is gagana. Ang ipiprint niya is password accepted. Then, to break the while loop, para matigil yung while loop, mag-end tayo sa break. And lagi may concatenate case. Then dito, correct username is equals to username. Then correct password is equals to password. So, dapat mag-match yung dalawa. Then, dito may max attempt tayo na 3. So, dahil nag-break yung while kanina sa retype, papasok ulit tayo ng while loop. Dito naman, kailangan mo na mag-log in ng name and ng password. Log underscore name is equal to input. Enter user. Log underscore pass is equal to input. Enter password. Ang ginamit ko dito is if else. Dito naman, if correct username is not match sa log name na in-input or correct password is not equal to log password, then ang ipiprint niya is invalid credentials. Pag nag-invalid yung credentials, minus tayo ng isang attempt. So, max attempt is minus and equals to negative and equals to 1. Then yun, if naka-tatlo ka na, ang mayayari dyan is hindi ka na pwede mag-input kasi nga wala ka ng remaining na attempts. So, max underscore attempt minus equals to 1. So, mag-i-increment siya pababa. No, mag-minus lang pala. Mag-minus yung max attempt. Then, mag-print siya number of attempts remaining. Na rin nakadalawa ka na. So, dalawa ang max attempt na lalabas dyan. Then, doon na magko-continue. Yung else natin, kung tama naman yung in-input mo na password and username, ang magpiprint is yung else. Kung ano yung nasa loob ng else, syempre login successful, welcome. Lalabas yan yung full name na in-input mo kanina sa pinakauna. Yan, ganun siya nag-work. Ganun nag-work ang username and password. Complicated siya, but kung iintindihin mo and magiging logical ka, magagawa mo siya.